Hi! Making ewedu which you can eat with obe from the previous episode. I start by plucking the leaves and wash. Then I dissolve half teaspoon of potash with 2 teaspoons of water. I add a cup of water to the ewedu in the pot. Then I cover and allow to boil for 5 minutes. Drain out the water from the potash. Cover again and allow to boil for another 5 minutes. Then blend until it's smooth. Then I add blended chili and onion paste, locust beans, cam seasoning to taste, and some salt. You can put less water if you want it thicker than this. When baking, follow instructions, but when cooking, just go with the flow. And it's ready. This you can eat with whatever suits your taste buds, or you can serve it with obe and eba. Thanks for watching. Come back again for what you can eat with obe and ewedu. Come party with me this Friday on the Wheels of Steel. I'm Chef Annie Michael. If it tastes good, eat it.